Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best miter saws that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Evolution R210 CMS compound miter saw. One of the bigger names in home DIY kit, Evolution are famous for their blades and loved for their honest wallet-friendly prices. The Evolution R210 CMS is right down there in terms of price, as it costs just a fraction of the big Bosch GCM8SJL, but still provides decent cutting ability for a budget chop saw. I'm a big fan of how small and light this little saw is. Weighing less than 6 kilograms, this little machine could almost fit in your pocket. It doesn't have a huge cutting capacity, but if you're tackling standard bits of timber, then it'll get the job done. And thanks to the amazing TCT multi-material blade, you're not limited to cutting wood either. You can get stuck into plastics, aluminium and even steel if you need to. This budget saw doesn't come without its drawbacks though. It suffers from a clunky miter table that struggles to lock into place, and for the money, you don't get a work light to keep things illuminated. Nevertheless, this is a solid and honest little saw that will get the job done. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bosch GCM8SJL sliding miter saw. The Bosch GCM8SJL is a sophisticated and impressive machine made from excellent materials and packed with clever features. It has a huge capacity and a powerful motor to make it all run smoothly. It's ideal for professional tradespeople, but keen DIYers will appreciate the precision of the saw as well. The success of this saw depends on what you want to do with it though. Even though it's got a handle on top, it weighs more than 17 kilograms, so it's not that portable. I wouldn't want to carry it up flights of stairs every day, so I think this is more of a workshop saw than a job site one. If, like me, you haven't got tons of space for all your woodworking gear, then the overall footprint of this tool is a bit too big. The sliding section and miter table control arms stick out too much for it to sit on anything other than my folding workmate, which isn't as solid as a proper bench. I can't fault this miter saw for power, capacity, or ruggedness. It's extremely capable and would be an asset to any professional joiner or fitter. But, for me, I don't need most of the features and prefer a saw that is lighter to carry and takes up less space when not in use. At number 3, we have the DeWalt DCS365NXJ XR cordless miter saw. Anyone who's used a battery-operated DeWalt knows why they're considered some of the best cordless miter saws you can get. Ergonomically designed, tough enough for the job site and packed with clever refinements, the sliding single-bevel DeWalt DCS365NXJ is ready to work wherever you need it. It also only weighs around 12 kilograms with the battery. What makes this one of the best miter saws for accurate cutting is the XPS cutline system. Instead of using a laser guide, DeWalt have opted for a shadow cast by 2 LED lights above the blade. Not only does it show exactly where the blade will hit, but the exact width of whatever blade you have installed. It's brilliant. Don't forget this is a bare tool that will need batteries. You can use any existing XR 18 volts battery, but you should really go for a high amp hour unit to get a decent amount of running time. At number 2, we have the Evolution R255 SMS Plus compound sliding miter saw. The Evolution R255 SMS Plus is one of Evolution Power Tools' most popular compound miter saws. This version does not have a double bevel feature like the Evolution R255 CMS DB+, where the saw arm can be tilted both left and right to 45 degrees, but it's significantly cheaper. Both these Evolution miter saws feature the same 2000-watt motor, as long as you have a 230-volt power supply, use the same 255mm circular blade and share similar features like Evolution Power Tools' proprietary multi-material cutting technology. If you don't need the double bevel feature, then the R255 SMS Plus is a very viable alternative to the R255 CMS DB+. This high-quality powerful saw is one of the best DIY miter saws on the market. And finally at number 1, we have the Einhell TC Mississippi 2112 compound miter saw. The third German tool brand on my list, Einhell's reputation for affordable quality is on the line. The Einhell TCMS 2112 is a pint-sized and basic chop saw that can cut well but lacks some refinement and features. It's perfectly suited to a casual DIYer that wants to cut timber at angles but doesn't want to splash out on extra features they might never use. You don't get a laser guide or work light to help you out, but it's perfectly fine for basic woodworking. It's the build quality that lets this saw down for me. The plastic parts, especially the safety lever, feel a bit too sharp and flexible for a saw that's spinning around at 5,000 revolutions per minute. It doesn't fill me full of confidence, to be brutally honest. It's an honest saw, but I don't know if it's built to last.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.